Hi everyone, a bit of a different video this time. I will be unboxing and reviewing this AT2020 USB-X microphone from Audio Technica. Who doesn't like a product review video? So I just wanted to take this opportunity and unbox it, set it up, and just hook it up. And hopefully by the end of this video, I will be capturing audio with this brand new Audio Technica microphone. So I purchased it from Bingley Appliances in Australia for 189 Australian dollars with plus $6 shipping. So in total it was $195, which I believe to be a pretty damn good price for what this is. And surprisingly, like the standard shipping with Australia Post, just I ordered it like 2 days ago and it arrived in 2 days. Big surprise there. But without further ado, let's strip it apart. Oh, look at that. Okay, so yeah, it looks pretty good. This is an upgrade that I wanted to do for a long time. So currently I capture audio using my webcam, and it's a little bit odd because I'm behind my webcam, so the audio direction and what I want to show on the video doesn't really match. It's quite difficult to position the microphone. I hope this is going to improve the audio quality in my videos and during my remote meetings as well. So yeah, there's a just pretty standard box, really, nothing special about it. There's a bit of, yeah, just features, cardioid microphone, condenser USB. This is a USB microphone. You don't need any external audio devices. You can just hook it up. And yeah, there's nothing special on the box. The barcode from Bingley. Anything here? Yeah, just the image of the microphone. So good, pretty standard. Real nice box there. Nothing wrong with it. Open it up and see what's inside. All right. Okay. So, all right. So we have the disposal instructions. Okay. The user manual, I guess. It's not. Yeah, just a short and sweet user manual. Explains the connections, how to use the stand. Okay. Pretty good. Nothing too complicated about this. I believe this microphone to be plug and play. We have the stand here packaged in bubble wrap. Okay, so the stand, it feels really heavy. I'm pretty sure I won't have any problems with it. And at the bottom of it, there's a nice silicone base, so this thing will not move for sure. It feels like a metal, to be honest, on these pieces. And the screws to adjust the microphone's position are pretty good. Like they're quite easy to operate, and then you can feel that they get really firm once you tighten them. So yeah, everything looks pretty good here on the stand front. There's, yeah, no complaints. There's like a nice gap for the cable as well. Something else here, what is that? Open it up. Okay, this is the USB cable. That's the USB-C cable. The cable looks real high quality. Again, a silicon cable, really thick, but it also feels real flexible and high quality. I can't find anything wrong with that. Yeah, pretty good. Now we also have this little piece. I believe this is to be something to do with the stand. Maybe an adjustment knob. I'm not entirely sure what this is yet, but you will see after getting rid of the box. Anything here now? And we have our microphone over here, which comes in a nice sponge mold, and that's all it is in the box. Now get rid of the box and then try to set it up. Okay, so here's everything from the box: the stand, the USB-C cable, this little piece which I don't know, it feels like some kind of a knob, but I'm not sure what it is yet. You'll figure it out. And the star of the show, the AT2020 USB-X microphone. Let me just take it out. Oh, maybe this is for connections to other microphone stands. I believe that's what it is. If you have, yeah, this is like an adapter for the microphone. If you want to use a different stand than the one that's supplied. Okay, so the microphone looks and feels really high quality. It's all metal built and it's quite heavy. But I don't see any problems with the with how heavy it is and with the stand. They are both very high quality. It feels and looks very high quality. We have two dials on the front of it. One of them is for adjusting the headphone levels, and the other one is for the microphone levels, I believe. And we also have a touch button on the front. There is no tactile feeling to it. It's just a touch button for mute. Now let's put it onto our stand, and these screws are really big and very easy to tighten. And it feels nice and tight. And now let's adjust the angle on the stand. Yeah, it is perfect. It is real good. Yeah, it feels very sturdy, like really nothing wrong with it. But I guess I just adjusted it the wrong way. Maybe I should have put it this way. Looking at the cable, looking at the dents for the cable, this is probably behind it. So yeah, let's do it this way. Yeah, super easy, really easy to use, really easy to adjust and tighten those screws on the stand. I'm just going to guide the cable underneath this stand so we have a nice connection there, and just pop the cable into these. Oh, they fit really well. So these guides for the cable fits really well, and that's all there is to it. Now I'm going to attempt to hook it up to my computer's USB and see if we can switch to it right away. I'm not entirely sure what's going to happen. Alright, I just plugged USB, the light came on right away. I can see on my screen that just connected to a Windows computer and it's setting up the drivers for it. Now it's red. Okay. Oh, it's the touch button. So it's very sensitive. You touch it and then it goes blue. I think that's unmuted, and you touch it again. Now it's maybe muted. And now I'm seeing on my computer that it's ready to use. I'm using OBS Studio to capture audio and record video. So now I will attempt to add our new microphone to OBS Studio. And yeah, it saw AT2020 USB-X microphone right away. I'm still using my webcam, the Logitech webcam, to capture audio. Now I will unmute it. And now I'm probably capturing audio from both my webcam and the new microphone. I don't know what's going to happen, but I'm going to mute the microphone of the webcam for now. Okay, yeah, now I'm only capturing audio using the Audio Technica AT2020 USB microphone. So I don't know what I'm recording yet. There was noise cancelling on the webcam, and in my videos I usually adjust the gain a little bit. With the audio that I'm capturing with the AT2020, I will not touch the audio at all, so you can hear the difference. Setting it up was, easier than taking it out of the box, and it looks really good and really sturdy, and I can't seem to find any issues with it really. So I'm really looking forward to hear the audio and how it works. I just used a little bit. Now I'm just figuring out these dials. So I hooked up a headphone to the microphone behind it. There is a standard headphone audio jack here. I have also added noise suppression filter on the audio capture with OBS Studio, so you'll probably hear it. It's a little bit more, there's a little bit of less noise, but the audio quality is great. I can hear myself. I can monitor the audio with my headphones, and with this dial here, you can just change the audio mix between the computer audio and headphone monitoring audio. So this works great. And this one is just the general audio levels for the headphones. So I will probably be using my headphones always hooked up to the microphone because it's so easy to use these dials, and you can adjust the audio mix between the microphone and the computer. So it's really great. And the mute button is amazing. It's at first I thought it would be a little bit too sensitive, but it's just the right amount. I'm just going to, there you go. It's really, really good. Obviously the audio capture is a little bit better than the webcam, so it captures a lot. It captures a bit of reverb in the room that I'm currently recording this in, but this is expected. This is what a good microphone does. So I'm generally pretty happy about this microphone. There's really nothing shit I can talk about this thing. It's a really good quality microphone, especially if you don't want to get into the external audio device, the external amplifiers. It can't get more plug and play than this, really. Highly recommend it if you are having lots of remote meetings. I'm yet to use it with remote meetings and Zoom. How it works with Zoom, I'm not entirely sure, but there is no signals that suggests it won't be great. So quite excited about it. Again, yeah, highly recommend it. Really good device. Well built. It looks great. Feels great. Very easy to use. Very easy to operate. That's really pretty much all to it. Hope you liked my video, and see you next time. Bye.